Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the club invites function in the F1 Clash application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the home button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left, and then at the settings section look for the club invites button, and just click on the buttons to enable or to disable it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.